So hello guys, welcome back in another video, and in this video we are going to cover the meme coins on Poton and the best filter and the best strategy of the insiders to trade with the best scenarios and the best case as possible. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you guys show some love and also press the bell icon for more video. And let's open the Photon first, and let me just show you something. So first of all, we have the new pair, trending, and meme scope, and orders and holding. So you guys are familiar with these settings. I am just covering you the filter section right now, and this video will be very short and to the point. So basically you guys should know this must be a green tick sign. So let's open these type of coin. First of all, their mint authority disabled, freeze authority disabled, and liquidity pool must be burned, and top 10 holders must be. So just you need to go to the meme scope and you need to find a good coin. So like my just def holding is like around about 15%, and the def holding by the holder count I just used to do like 20, and the dev holding is like 10%, sniper 0, insider holding 0. Yeah, and let's apply this filter, and if we just find a good coin, you can see we can find a good coin like on the ASAI. And let's see, the sniper have been sold, and you guys can see the liquidity pool has 46%, but the dev has only 4% of the supply, which means the coin have a chance. So this is the bullshit thing. You cannot find any good coin right now here because there are so many MEF protection, because of there are so many duct right now. And if we just go to the meme scope and we just apply the filter like the undergraduated dev holding 15%, for example, if we just use the my filter, but the dev holding is 15% and the holder is 100. So the holder is 100 basically. So the holder, sorry 15, and their holder is 100, and I will just delete this. Yeah, their holder is 100 and the bot user is 25, and the volume is 10,000. So you can guys play with these type of filters if you want to, but I play most of these type of filter and use it according to the days and the scenario. Right now this coin is pumping. You guys see, if we manages to like get to like 70k, it will be like our easily like you can say like 10x, or we can make like ton of money. And if we just see the price ranges right now, it's just like my target is like around about 63%, which is the 55k level. And if you manages to get the like 75k and 80k level, this must be a good chance to invest in this coin. And yeah, so the basically, so the insider wallet is 25% max, the bolt holder is 25, insider bid is the insider. So let me check, the insider is 25% max, and the market cap is 6500 minimum, 6500. So yeah, and the token age is 45. So the best part is like that you can tweak this setting, let me just use the token age setting, and for you I am just showing you the everything. Okay, so let me just switch to 45 to see. So this is the setting that you need to copy, and the setting is given in the description. So let's apply this filter, and if you see a good coin right now, so if you just manage to get a coin right now. So let's take the coin, and yeah. So where is the ACE coin right now? So ACE is moving right now around the 33%. Okay, right now is, let me just check his website. Okay, right now I think this coin has a potential, but their holders, and let's see their stuff right now. Okay, so right now they are getting dumped. See, this is the thing that I am talking, and what will happen is that this coin will get easy peasy dump. You guys can see, because of the fluctuation that they are having, and sometimes it is because of the radium, because when the token just migrated, there are so many buy and sell orders, and that's why this thing is happening. And but sometimes most of the coin just get failed and get dumped right now. So let's see, if we just for example, if you guys invested in this coin around about, let me just see the price range, for example, like, so this is how much you gain, like your 1000. See, this is what I am talking about everything, and you need to know. And their radium liquidity is now getting burned, and everything is now getting burned. And if this happen, the holder will increase as maximum as possible, and there are holders increasing, and this is the right chance to buy these type exit these type of coin. When the holders are increases, just use them as your liquidity exit, and you will make money. So this is the live demo that I am showing. This is the real thing that is not scripted, and this is the gems that I am finding. These are the things that I use and stay ahead of many meme coin traders. And we have a group, and we have an investor pool that we are in, and we know these type of things, insider thing. And let's see the other coin, what he is doing. For example, you see this type of point. For example, if he manages to get the support and retest, and again if he manages to get a break above, we can make so much money. And yeah, let's see their website. Just check their website. If their website is good, then it's good to go. Okay, then there is no website, is now right now loading. Okay, just fuck this project. They have a Twitter, so don't follow their Twitter. Just see their website, see their utility, what they are doing. And for example, let's see what the AS is doing. See, this is how this is what I am talking. Guys, did you see? Did you see how much we make in one go? So this is the real thing. I am sharing you the fact. This is the proof. This is this time that we are on the trenches and understanding the meme culture, and this is how much the people make, and this is how you get profitable. And yeah, there are so many dumb people that say that money cannot in the meme coin space, there is no money. I can say there is so much money, but there is so much risk. So this is how much you gain. For example, if you invest like on your 1000 gain, like, let me just show you. On your 1000, this is the same chart, same thing. For example, if you just invested like let me just draw. For example, if you just invested like on the 20k market cap, your $100, and now it's on the like 10 million, or like, okay, just erase it one. Yeah, now it's on the 1 million. How much you make? Just calculate. Like you make like 10k. Yeah, you make 10k. And if you do a minimum of the 10k and maximum, you can just go ahead, and you guys just find how much they have. The poll is now ready, and I guess you have a potential. You can just find these type of coin on the meme scope page. You can find on the trending one. You can find it anywhere, and you can make ton of money on this culture. And basically you need to understand, if you are buying a coin, you need to understand, if for example this is the coin, you need to first step is your utility, second step is their community, and the third step is their website, and their holding, and their technical analysis. So this is you can make 100x. So this is the right demo that I am showing you guys. And like now, how much we are up now? Like we are seriously up on the 7.6 million. So this is, oh my god, this is fucking crazy, guys. For example, if you invest like $100, it can easily turn into like millions of dollars. For example, like you guys can make millions. You get my point? But you need to exit it very quickly, because of these are the coin that are bundled and the boarded coin. And yeah, so you need to understand the power of the these thing. And if we just go to 30-second time frame, you can see there's fluctuation right now happening, and there's so much volume and things going on right now. And if you are the fast-paced trader, you can just exit the, or like for example, if I just trade on right now here, I will exit my 25% of my position right now, and like 25% position right here, and the like 50% here. See, this is the possible things that I'm going to do if I am just trading. And yeah, so you need to understand the power of the meme coin culture. And there I spend like my daily limit on the chart is like I spend 7 to 8 hours on watching chart of the meme coin. And basically the power of the chart is nothing. You cannot find a good coin with the chart or technical analysis. Basically you need to know the fundamental and the filters, and these are the some filters that are the most powerful and used by the insiders. So make sure you guys like and subscribe and show me the support, and also press the bell icon for more video. Thank you.